Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This is likely because baking soda has mild abrasive properties that let it break the bonds of molecules that stain the teeth. It also has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can help fight harmful bacteria. 16-17.
Let's help you make your mark.
The efficacy of sodium bicarbonate against certain bacteria and fungi has been documented, but its role as a disinfectant against viruses is not known. The use of sodium bicarbonate alone or in combination with aldehydes can be an effective and inexpensive method of disinfecting food contact surfaces.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cleaning. Baking soda acts as a cleaning agent because it is a mild alkali and can cause dirt and grease to dissolve easily in water for effective removal. Baking soda deodorizes by bringing both acidic and basic odor molecules into a neutral, more odor-free state.
Take our lead.
Baking soda and bicarbonate of soda is the same thing. Yes, these are two different names for the same product. In Australia, we tend to use the name bicarbonate of soda, or bicarb soda for short, whereas overseas they usually call it baking soda.
Take our lead.
Vinegar doesn't work well as a disinfectant. According to EPA standards, a disinfectant should be able to kill 99.9% of disease-causing bacteria and viruses. Vinegar only works against some germs, like E. The best way to disinfect your home or workspace is to use an EPA-registered disinfectant.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.